Another fantastic Defender 90 has just arrived, finished in Eiger Grey. It's an X-Dynamic, so the colour is then, and then it's got all that black X-Dynamic styling externally. Contrasting black roof. Big option on this car is it has air suspension. I would say 80–90% of Defender 90s on the market don't have air suspension. This has it, and it makes a big difference to how the car drives. Defender 110 have got it as standard, but the 90, it's an added option, and it does make a difference. It's got that X-Dynamic style, it's got 20-inch gloss black wheels, it's got a sliding sunroof, it's a 3-litre, 250 brake horsepower diesel. With it being an SE as well, you've got Meridian sound, you've got memory seats, heated seats. Let's have a look at the front. So the colour is Eiger Grey, optional extra colour, and then you've got all this beautiful X-Dynamic styling. So you've got the under tray, all round the lights in gloss black, that little bonnet strip, the badging, round the arches, upgraded wheels, which are beautiful, again finished in gloss black. You've then got the dynamic styling along side steps, and it just looks well, doesn't it? I think Eiger Grey is a great colour. Then you've got that X-Dynamic styling, full-size spare wheel, finished in gloss black. And then in here, a couple of other key features. Look at this, electric deployable Towbar. Press that button, and there's the air suspension button. Very rare, so you can press the car and drop the car down. You can drop them seats if need be, if you want that extra space. And there you have it. Now, moving on inside, because the car's an SE, you've got great spec inside. This car's done as well, by the way, 3,000 miles to 22, just under 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Black leather inside, memory seat, Meridian speakers, full heated leather, glass roof, which is sliding as well. I'm just going to start the car up. Right, let me just show you some other features as well. So what I quite like about this interior, it's all black, the steering wheel along the display, it works with the external colour. It's very sporty inside, multifunctional steering wheel, sliding panoramic sunroof. That is a great feature, and it is lovely inside, by the way. Down here, let me just show you, that is the key feature on this car. Look at that, air suspension, massive option. Front and rear heated screens, full surround top view and tow and assist as well with having a tow bar. And if I just go into our main menu, show you, you've got heated seats, digital climate control, touchscreen navigation, all your USB charging points. And I'm actually just going to, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to raise the suspension. I'm going to shut the door, and I'll just show you, because it is I know I'm banging on about it, but, so we've got normal height, and then we've got off-road height, it's a great feature on a 90, massive feature. I'm just going to put it back to normal. And then you've got access height as well. So when I lock the car and get out, the car will drop just for, so it's in access height. Let's turn it off. And you'll see now. There you go. Drop to access height. Looks really well. Air suspension is the big one. Eiger Grey, X-Dynamic, sliding sunroof, tow bar, air suspension. Fantastic car, and it's an SE, and it is priced to sell. It's going live on our website. Thank you for watching.